eighth graders. This is to help you with question 7 on CR20. It says, in the figure below, line DE is parallel to line FG with the transversal AG. Okay, so these, oops, sorry about that. This line is parallel to this line, and this is the transversal. That's all they're telling you. Write an equation to determine the measure of angle ABE. A to B to E. So they want you to find this angle right here. And they give you this angle as being 5y minus 18 and the adjacent angle as being 3y minus 10. You need to see that these two angles together sweep out 180 degrees. So if you take angle ABE and you add to that angle EBG, measure of angle ABE plus the measure of angle EBG, together those two angles sweep out 180 degrees. What do they call angle ABC? Oh, I'm sorry, not ABC, ABE. I am so sorry about that. A to B to E is 5y minus 18 plus E to B to G is 3y minus 10. And together, when we add those two angles up, we get 180 degrees. So this is the equation that I'm going to use to help me determine ABE. So now I'm just going to do my y's and no's. I'm going to combine like terms off to the side. I can do my y's and my no's. So I want to combine like terms on this side. So I have 5y plus 3y. That will give me 8y. I have negative 18 minus 10. Make sure you take the sign right in front of the number. Negative 18 minus 10 is minus 28. So here, when I combine like terms, I get 8y minus 28 equals 180. Now I'm just going to solve this two-step equation. I'm going to add 28 to both sides. On the left-hand side, I'm left with 8y. On the right-hand side of the equal sign, 0 plus 8 is 8. 8 and 2 is 10. Put down a 0, carry a 1. 1 and 1 is 2. So that's 208. So I'm going to take 208. Operation between the 8 and the y is multiplication. I'll undo multiplication with division. I'll divide the left-hand side of my equal sign by 8 to get y alone. Therefore, I have to divide the right-hand side by 8. This down here is just some scrap work. So 8 divided by 8, fancy form of 1. 1 times y is just y. 208 divided by 8. You have a calculator. I'm going to just long divide it. 8 goes into 20 twice. 2 times 8 is 16. Subtract off. Drag down that 8. 8 goes into 48. 8 times 6 is 48. All right, y must be 26. So y is 26 degrees. This is the equation I'm going to use to help me. But now y is 26 degrees, so now I have to substitute back in 5y minus 18 was my angle ABE. So now I have to do 5 times, in place of y, I have to substitute in a 26. 5 times 26 minus 18. So 26 times 5. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 2 is 10, so that's 130. So this is 130 minus 18. So now I have to do 130 minus 18. You have a calculator to use. 10 minus 8 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. I believe I get 112. Don't quote me. Let's hope I didn't make a mistake in my calculating. But that's the correct process. I hope that helps.